the Good World Facts and News Channel. The battlefield of the future is changing. No longer the sole domain of human soldiers, the front lines are increasingly populated by machines. These aren't your grandfather's drones, remotely piloted by humans safely behind lines. These are AI-powered robots, capable of making independent decisions in the heat of battle. Imagine a swarm of drones, coordinating attacks without human intervention, their algorithms coldly calculating the most efficient ways to eliminate enemy targets. This is the dawn of killer robots, a new era of warfare that promises to be both exhilarating and terrifying. The world has already had a taste of this future. Autonomous weapons systems are no longer the stuff of science fiction. They are a reality, albeit in their early stages. We've seen glimpses of their potential in targeted killings and preemptive strikes. These examples, however, are just the tip of the iceberg. The true potential of AI in warfare, for both good and bad, is far greater than we can imagine. The question is not if this technology will continue to advance, but how. Will we harness the power of AI to create a safer, more humane battlefield? Or will we unleash a Pandora's box of unintended consequences, leading to a loss of human control and an erosion of ethical boundaries? The answers to these questions will shape the future of warfare and indeed the future of humanity itself. The development of AI-powered military technology is progressing at an alarming rate. Autonomous drones, once a futuristic concept, are rapidly becoming commonplace. These unmanned aerial vehicles can already conduct surveillance missions, identify targets, and even deploy weapons with minimal human intervention. But their capabilities are expanding by the day. On the ground, robotic soldiers are no longer a figment of science fiction. Countries like the United States, Russia, and China are investing heavily in the development of unmanned ground vehicles, or UGVs. These UGVs can be equipped with a variety of weapons, from machine guns to rocket launchers. They can be deployed in hazardous environments, such as urban combat zones or areas contaminated by chemical or biological weapons, minimizing the risk to human soldiers. The integration of AI goes beyond individual units. Military strategists are exploring the use of AI in command and control systems. These systems can analyze vast amounts of data, predict enemy movements, and even suggest optimal courses of action. The goal is to create a battlefield where AI can assist human commanders in making faster, more informed decisions. Please take a moment to like and subscribe. The allure of AI in warfare is undeniable. Proponents argue that it offers a tantalizing glimpse into a future where wars are fought with greater precision and fewer casualties. And it's true, AI-powered systems possess inherent advantages over their human counterparts. First and foremost is speed. AI can react to threats and make decisions at a speed that far surpasses human capabilities. In the blink of an eye, an AI system can analyze a situation, identify targets, and execute a counterattack. This speed and agility could prove decisive in the fast-paced, dynamic environment of modern warfare. Then, there's the issue of precision. AI-guided weapons systems have the potential to be incredibly accurate, minimizing collateral damage and reducing civilian casualties. Unlike human soldiers, AI is not susceptible to fear, fatigue, or other emotions that can cloud judgment and lead to mistakes. This cold, calculating precision is a double-edged sword, as we will explore later, but it is undeniably an advantage in the context of warfare. Perhaps the most compelling argument in favor of AI in warfare is the potential to save human lives. By deploying robots and drones to the front lines, we can keep human soldiers out of harm's way. This is particularly appealing in scenarios involving high-risk missions, such as bomb disposal or reconnaissance in hostile territory. For all its potential benefits, the prospect of AI-driven warfare opens a Pandora's box of ethical dilemmas and potential risks. The idea of machines making life-or-death decisions on the battlefield without human intervention is deeply unsettling to many. One of the most pressing concerns is the issue of accountability. If an autonomous weapons system makes a mistake, who is responsible? Is it the programmer who wrote the code, the manufacturer who built the machine, the military commander who deployed it? The lack of clear accountability raises serious legal and ethical questions. Another major concern is the potential for AI to escalate conflicts and make war more likely. With machines making decisions at lightning speed, there is a risk that conflicts could spiral out of control before humans have a chance to intervene. This could lead to unintended consequences and even accidental wars. Perhaps the most chilling concern is the possibility of an AI arms race. As nations compete to develop ever more sophisticated autonomous weapons systems, there is a risk that we could witness a new kind of arms race, one where machines are pitted against machines in a deadly game of cat and mouse.